learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, welcome back to Practical Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是连泽秋 Joseph Land, and this whole month we are teaching you a phrase that's so handy in situations where maybe you are sorry, you forgot something. 对不起，
是你，
是你 Okay, that's how you say sorry. 其实对不起很多状况啦，我们都是挑一些比较生活中会发生的对不起好了，好不好？比如说丢了东西，这都可能会说对不起，
尤其是下雨天的时候，
掉了雨伞吗？
对，像我爸爸就这样，常常。
哎呀 ，That's why 外面不知道多少雨伞流浪在外面，你知道吗？
所以家里一桶雨伞。
没错。All right, let's put you in a scenario where you forgot something, and let's say on a rainy day you forgot your umbrella. You don't know where you put it. You lost it. 我的雨伞呢 ？Where's my umbrella?
我给摘呢。
我给摘呢。摘就是雨伞吗？
雨伞对。
哦，摘。
那海陆腔的雨伞炸鹅。
炸鹅。怎么感觉要炸什么东西出来吃了？
不要炸，炸弹就好。
Okay, that's a different dialect for saying the umbrella. Okay, 一个是摘，一个是
炸鹅。
炸鹅。Okay, 对不起，我弄丢了啦。I'm so sorry, I lost it. Okay, how do you say that?
是你。
是你。
本來打唔見咧，
本來打唔見咧，
或者可以說本來跌踢咧，
本來跌踢咧。OK， 两种说法，所以打唔見咧也是弄不见的意思了哈。
跌踢咧，
跌踢咧。OK, those two ways are all describing I lost it.
对，其实就是掉了嘛，
掉了，丢掉了。All right, now
弄丢了。
那你刚刚讲了，家里反正还有一桶了，对不对？
对，没错，真的超多。
人家都对不起了，只好说好了，没关系啦，我家里还有啦。It's okay, don't worry, I still have a bunch at home. All right, 怎么说？
冇相干，
冇相干，
或者冇關係，
冇關係 ，OK。
瓦不卡含油，
瓦不卡含油。不卡是
家里。
Oh, that means your house, and you're just explaining. It's okay, I still have some more at my house. 这很好用 OK. All right, so let's go ahead and review these phrases now, such as the umbrella, 雨伞，摘 and then I lost it, 弄丢了，
打唔見咧，
打唔見咧，然後還有一個
跌踢咧，
跌踢咧 OK, those are two ways of saying I lost it, and it's all about the situation where you're very sorry, 就是对不起咯。
是你，
是你，然后家里呢多放一点雨伞是好事了哈。
对，
因为随时都会弄丢了。All right, that does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺只say張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.